Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your iPhone. So all you have to do in first, you just click on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, so you just go down here, you keep going down. So until here you will find App Store, you just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do next, you just go down here, you keep going down. Then you come here to in-app ratings and reviews, clicking this sign. Like you see, this color show for us as main in-app ratings and reviews enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you know you are great. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.